In a sunlit clearing, a tiny meerkat named Miro hosted the first jungle talent show, inviting every creature to perform. The tricky part was Miro's hiccups, which popped out at dramatic moments, turning drum solos into ticklish tremors. A boastful toucan tried singing opera, but each note sent a flock of parrots giggling and shaking their tails. A sleepy sloth attempted a yoga pose and accidentally invented a new pose called the sleepy stretch, causing roaring laughter. By sunset, the audience realized the real prize was the laughter they shared, not the acts themselves.